Hi everyone. So we are back with another question, that is power of 4, question number 342. And we have discussed a pretty similar question in our previous video. So you can definitely go back and check it out. So the previous question was power of 3. We checked it out. दो अप्रोच बेसिकली हम लोग लगाए हैं. पहला था iterative approach and the second was we solved this question without any loops, without any recursion. We applied the logarithmic approach and the solution we have submitted. So getting back to the question, we are going to implement exactly same formulas and same approach over here as well. So we have been given a number n, and we have to check it out if it is a what to say, power of 4 or not. So I'm skipping the theory. I'm assuming for theory we would be getting back into this and checking out this particular solution. Now on a very high up level approach, मेरा requirement ये है कि हम लोग को एक n नंबर मिला है और सबसे पहले हम लोग चेक कर लेंगे कि वो नंबर must be 0 से बड़ा या बराबर से ज़्यादा, मतलब एटलीस्ट इट मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन ज़ीरो. इट कैनॉट बी नेगेटिव, इट कैनॉट बी ज़ीरो. अगर ऐसा होता है तो वी वुड बी रिटर्निंग फॉल्स. That is, we won't be checking the power. We cannot get the power of 4 with that kind of number. So we are not even checking. We are not wasting our time and resources over there. Moving next, we would be doing while जब तक के लिए नंबर divisible by 4 है. अगर ऐसा है then what we would be going to do something like this. Number divided by 10 हो गया and just we would be return n is equals to 1. Let's submit and the solution is accepted. Similarly, in the same way, could you solve it without loops and recursion? यहाँ पर भी हम लोग सेम फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने वाले हैं, that is the logarithmic approach. So this is the formula which we are going to use. So if log base 4 of n is equals to log base 10 of n divided by log base 10 of 4, then अगर ये ऐसा आउटपुट आता है then that number can be considered a power of 4. मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? 16 and divided by 4 is equals to, what are we supposed to get? 4. 4 divided by 4, then we are going to get 1. So if we are going to get whole number, then we are damn sure, we are pretty much sure that this is the power of 4 with respect to this solution. Just reiterating that whatever the dry run or whatever the detailed level discussion we were supposed to do, we have already done this in power of 3 question. That is question number 326. So if you haven't checked it out, you can go back and definitely check it. Now getting back to this question, so public boolean is power of 4 int n if n less than equals to 3, n is equals to 0. सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए हम लोग को? Yeah, so let's implement it. Double same log result is equals to math dot log base 10. यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से हम लोग n पास करेंगे डिवाइडेड बाय math dot log base 10 एंड यहाँ पर हम लोग 4 पास करेंगे एंड वी आर गुड टू गो. Then let's return it if we are going to get the expected value or not. Math dot floor log result. That is all requirement was. Let's check it out. कुछ issues आएगा तो resolve करते हैं. So the solution is accepted and let's submit it. Okay, the solution is accepted. That's all I can think up of as of now. One more solution we could have given. Okay, First and foremost, let's save it as 2 and let's keep this solution somewhere. Let's comment it out first and foremost. और एक थर्ड सॉल्यूशन बताते हैं. Let's talk about this solution 3. तो सेम है, बस एक नया अप्रोच है. नॉट इवन नया अप्रोच. वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस. ओके, या सो let's say what we are going to do, we are going to write directly return n greater than 0. And actually I thought that in the previous approach, that is an approach to, I हमको लगा था कि हम यहाँ पर loop लगा दिए. That's the reason I paused for a bit, then remembered that no, we haven't put any kind of loops. So that's all. Now getting back to the third approach, यहाँ पर क्या है कि हम लोग लूप वापस से स्टार्ट कर, लूप नहीं लगाने वाले हैं. हम लोग चेक कर लिए कि नंबर मेरा 0 से बड़ा होने चाहिए. अगर ऐसा है तो दो तीन कंडीशन है. सबसे पहला नंबर मेरा 0 से बड़ा है, देन नंबर जो है एंड n माइनस वन, ये जो अप्रोच है इज गोइंग टू अस रिटर्न एज 0. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर, we have implemented this solution for the power of 2, right? And n minus 1, let's put it within brackets, percentile 3 is equals to 0. अगर ऐसा है then the number can be considered as a power of 4. So we have followed 3 different approaches. You can pause and do a quick dry run. यहाँ पर अगर if we break it up sorry, अगर इसको हम लोग ये करते हैं तो ये से ये जो highlighted part है, it is checking the power of 2, and when a number is power of 2 then that can be a power of 4 as well. और साथ में हम लोग चेक कर रहे हैं, मतलब that is not a hard coded thing, but that's the reason we are checking constraint 1 and then constraint 2. सो दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बना के मेरा पावर ऑफ 4 चेक हो जाता है. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि पावर ऑफ 2 चेक किए और कोई भी नंबर था, लेट्स से n इज इक्वल्स टू, तो n माइनस वट एवर द वैल्यू, अगर उसको हम लोग 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो लेट्स से वी आर गेटिंग 16, राइट? तो 16 माइनस 1 इज 15. 15 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 इज the remainder we are supposed to get is 0. So that's the reason ये मेरा check करता है दोनों तरफ से. And let's submit this solution and let's run this solution. Okay, there is an compile error, line number 7. क्या missing है? Okay, nothing called and, first and foremost. The solution is accepted. Let's submit it. Okay, so that is all. Power of 4, question number 342. Thank you. We can close it up.